I got for Christmas. A family friend named Jeff bought me this sewing machine. Thank you, Jeff, very much. Today I'm going to unbox it. My husband bought me the Eddie knitting machine. So I'm going to unbox it. I was going to wait till Saturday because I work today. So I won't have time to spend a lot of time on it, but I can get familiar with how it works and I have my tablet to see how everything works and stuff as I unbox it. So it has a lot of little parts that I need to be careful that I don't lose. And let's see, I got this book here to read. And let me put this down the floor and pull it out so I won't drop it. Excited to use it. I have a sewing machine case for it, but my old sewing machine case is in there. So this, let me get some scissors. Okay, so this is the foot pedal here. Alright, let's get this out of the wrapper and see how the sewing machine works. Get some thread. And there's some tape along here. Let's see. Get an old piece of material and practice sewing. I do have some things I need to hand. I don't know how much time I got to really play around with this, but I'm not sure what this thing is supposed to be. I think it's just instructions on the machine. Actually, it looks like it's got a bobbin already in it. Let's see. Oh boy. Not a lot of tape. Wow, they got a lot of tape on it. Guess they want to make sure everything doesn't come apart while it's being shipped. And I got really short nails because I just trimmed my nails. I wear press-on nails and they were getting very rounded and not looking so great, so I trimmed them down because I'm not quite ready to take them off yet. That'll be till after New Year's. I'll put my nails
Switch to
on.
iPhone 16 Pro at T-Mobile. It's built for Apple Intelligence.
That's like peanut butter on jelly on go. Get more iPhone 16 Pro on us. Plus 4 lines for $25. What a deal. Y'all giving it away.
Okay, I have to figure out how to lift the pressure foot up, so I might need to watch this video, but let me get it out of this plastic. And let me figure out how to lift the presser foot up, and then I'll see if I can thread this thing and sew. Okay, so I got it. It runs. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go get some thread and learn how to thread it. So I'll be right back. Have this thing, it comes off. Let me see if I can pull it off. It's to make it more narrow, like you can put this under here. Let me see if I can do this. I don't know if it'll go up under here. Let me see. Because it helps you sew it better. Because I certainly don't want to sew it together. Okay, maybe I can do that. I don't know if that's going to work or not. That might be hard to move around if I do it that way. So let me just try to sew it here. I'll just go slow. So I just have to go really slow. Let me see here where I want this to. Oh, maybe that's good. Okay, so let me go really slow. Let's see. And then I just have to kind of rotate this around. And then I have another thing I want to sew. Then I put it right there. Oh, it's hemming it. And then I'll trim these cups. I'm going to do 2 rows and then trim it down. I'm trying to go slow because I don't want to mess it up. Because it's kind of hard to do this with. Okay, this is like all pressed in right here, which makes it very hard to sew. Just have to keep straightening the material out. We're getting there. And then I'll do the other side. I gotta do 2 sides. Okay, so it's so good before I trim this. Okay, now let me cut this. I'll lift the needle up. And cut this off. And we'll try to do. Okay, I hope I got those strings. The bottom thread sews the bottom, and then this top piece sews the top. If you don't have them both, it won't even sew. It's been a while since I used a sewing machine. I'm kind of a beginner because it's been a while.